Imagine stepping into a room that soothes your senses, a place that's truly your sanctuary. Yes, it's your bedroom we're talking about. This cherished space is more than just a place to catch some shut-eye. It's a reflection of you, your tastes, and your comfort. A well-decorated bedroom can uplift your mood, boost your well-being, and provide a peaceful retreat from the world. In this video, we'll explore how to transform your bedroom into a dreamlike paradise. With the right design choices, your bedroom can become a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. Creating your dream bedroom starts with understanding the basics of interior design. Let's dive right in. First off, color. The color palette you choose sets the mood for your space. Warm tones can create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, while cooler hues might impart a sense of calm and tranquility. Next up is light. Natural light is a designer's best friend. It can make a room feel airy and spacious. However, artificial lighting is also crucial. It's all about balance. Think soft ambient light for relaxation and brighter targeted light for tasks like reading. Now, let's talk furniture. Select pieces that not only look good, but also serve your needs. A bed with storage can be a lifesaver in a small room, and don't forget about a comfortable chair for those lazy Sunday mornings. Remember, every design element matters. They all work together to create a cohesive and comfortable space. Now, let's dive into some practical tips to make your bedroom the ultimate feel-good paradise. First off, the arrangement of your furniture can drastically alter the feel of your space. Think of your room as a blank canvas. The bed is generally the focal point, but consider the flow of the room. Can you easily move around? Is there a clear path from the door to the bed? These are important factors to consider for functional and aesthetic reasons. Next, let's talk about storage. Clever storage solutions are a must, especially in smaller bedrooms. Utilizing multi-purpose furniture such as an ottoman with hidden storage or built-in wardrobes can clear up valuable floor space. Remember, a clutter-free room is a peaceful room. Now onto textiles and materials. They play a critical role in creating the overall ambiance. A plush rug can add warmth and comfort, while a sleek satin bedspread can evoke a sense of luxury. Don't be afraid to mix and match textures to create depth and interest. As for design styles, there's a world of options out there. Modern trends lean towards clean lines and neutral colors, offering a minimalist and streamlined aesthetic. Classic designs feature timeless elements like ornate furnishings and rich fabrics. Or perhaps you prefer thematic ideas. A nature-inspired room might include botanical prints and earth tones, while a coastal theme could include soft blues and sandy hues. Your personal style should shine through in your bedroom design. It's all about creating a space that reflects you. The charm of any room lies in the details. Let's talk about accessories and how they impact your sleep quality. Accessories and decorations are not just about aesthetics. They're the elements that give a room its personality, your personality. They can range from statement pieces like an antique mirror or a beautiful painting, to smaller touches like a stack of your favorite books or a collection of travel souvenirs. However, when it comes to the bedroom, it's not just about how these elements look, but also how they make you feel. The right furnishings can profoundly enhance your sleep quality. Consider incorporating elements that promote tranquility and relaxation. Soft textures, calming colors, and soothing artworks can all contribute to creating a serene atmosphere. Think of your bedroom as a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind and recharge. And remember, it's not just about what's in the room, but also how it's arranged. Your bedroom should be a place that promotes restful sleep and well-being. Designing your dream bedroom need not break the bank. Let's explore budget planning and DIY ideas. Start by allocating funds to essential items like a comfortable mattress or good lighting. Save on decor by repurposing items or scouting thrift stores for unique finds. Embrace DIY projects like painting an accent wall or sewing your own curtains. It's all about expressing your personal style without overspending. And remember, the best designs evolve over time, so there's no rush. With a little creativity and planning, you can create a dreamlike bedroom that fits your budget. So there you have it. Designing your dream bedroom is not an impossible task. We've explored the essentials from choosing a color palette, selecting the right furnishings, to adding your personal touch with accessories. We've also delved into practical tips like optimal furniture arrangement and DIY ideas for individual design. And let's not forget the influence of furnishings on sleep quality. All these elements contribute to creating your feel-good paradise. Remember, your bedroom is your personal sanctuary. Make it a place where you love to spend time.